Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. Wow, what a day. A lot of news from our miners. But first, my little disclaimer. You can read it if you like. You know the best how to invest your money. And please be aware that I'm invested in Riot, Mara, BitDigital, Hive, Argo Blockchain, BitFarms, Hashrate, and Galaxy Digital. So maybe I'm a little bit too bullish on these guys. Okay, but let's go on. A few seconds ago, I took part in the Hive shareholder call. I expected a lot, but I was again disappointed by the Hive communication here. They had a few slides here I will show you. They showed that they have so much gains in their stocks here compared to Nasdaq and so on, and to these other guys like Riot or Hut 8. And yeah, they were talking about their GPU New Brunswick MOU with the possible 50 megawatt expansion there, but it's not closed right now, so no news there. And yeah, this is another key slide here. The Ethereum mined in this quarter the number is going to be much smaller than in the last quarter. First of all, the fees are much lower this time because of DeFi is not as crazy as it was in the last quarter. And the 4 gigabyte, 8 gigabyte issue is now taking place, and the cards are slowing down mining Ethereum, and that's why Hive is very fast acting to replace these chips. I will go into it in a few seconds. But the Bitcoin mining is ramping up in this quarter. They so far mined 140, estimated 160 this quarter. So the Bitcoin mining is growing here. Okay, so I made a few no I took part in this call, and I will tell you a short summary about it. So what can I tell you here? Yeah, they locked in a lot of the electricity for 2021, like 50% for 1.6 cent. So that's very good for 2021. They plugged in old S9s in La Chute in their Quebec facility because right now they're profitable again. So that's nice. They still have some S9s here. But in Sweden and Iceland, they have to replace the 4 gigabyte chips with 8 gigabyte chips because the DAC file is too big from mining right now. They spend a lot of money. My expectation is more than 10 million US dollars. We don't really know, but that's my expectation here. Um, and they will complete it until the end of January, or 80% until end of January. So they have 107,000 GPUs in Sweden, and like 40,000 or so, 30,000 in Iceland. So that's a lot of chips, and they were doing 4,000 cards a week. Now they're up to 10,000 a week, and yeah, they will need some time there. So we can expect slower Ethereum production. After that, maybe we can see a higher Ethereum production because difficulty will drop, at least in the opinion of Frank Holmes. I'm not so sure about that because I told you there are a lot of Ethereum mining ASICs which are released right now from China. So yeah, this is a little bit concerning for me. There were no staking news. They don't want to stake right now. They have a goal of 1,000 petahash within the next 12 months, but no additional disclosed hardware here. They're still at 200 to 300 petahash. And yeah, then that was the question part. And someone asked about Colos, and yeah, Frank didn't feel really good in this question, and he answered, yeah, we explored that. It's very difficult. And yeah, it looks like they will not build it there for me. It's I don't think so. So yeah, I was disappointed. I expected some huge announcement or so, but that's always the case with Hive. I like Hive. It was my first mining stock. I was in there for the first day, but yeah, I don't know why they do this shareholder call here with no big announcement here. Okay, but let's move on. Some other miners did a better job today, in my opinion. Riot Blockchain, maybe you saw it on the breaking news video. They will add another 15,000 S19s to reach a goal of 3.8 exahash within the next 10 months, and they have now more disclosed capacity than Mara with 3.56. So the arms race here continues. I told you Riot will counter that move from Mara, and yeah, here it is. So I expect next time is Mara. They will be above 4 exahash next time. So yeah, that's a lot of fun here. And there was Bitfarms, big increase in hash rate. They installed another 1000 M31S, and they are adding 3000 M31S plus until February. So they will have 1.2 exahash at that time. So that's very nice for them. And their goal is 3 exahash until the end of next year. So it's a goal. It's not disclosed. So we will see. I don't think they can make it to 3. Maybe 2 exahash is more realistic, but we will see. Okay, then I have some nice charts here for you. First of all, the market caps from today. So we have Riot, the first miner which surpassed the 1 billion US dollar market cap here today with 1.01 billion US dollars. So that's huge because of the news. Mara at 865 million and Hive 74 740 million US dollars. And here we can see Argo, which is there at 60 million US dollars. So can you believe that Argo has right now more than the triple hash rate than Mara? So they have right now 645 petahash operational here, and they have their Zcash mining. Mara right now, as I'm aware of, they have 200 petahash. Okay, they disclosed the 3.5 exahash, so yeah, they will grow big time. But and Argo also has more operational hash rate than Riot, but the market cap is not really growing right now. So what I'm doing right now, I swap a little bit, only a little bit from these big stocks into Argo because I think there's gonna be a day when they pump big time. Maybe it's not yet. Maybe it would take until January or so, February. We will see. But for me, it's a nice opportunity. But yeah, no financial advice here, guys. And I have another chart for you. One guy in the comment section asked me about, yeah, can you show us the hash rate for the hash rates, the disclosed hash rates in the upcoming year? And I made a chart here. We're here today, and this is the end of 2021. We can see here, this is a bit digital here. They will have at the end of this year big growth to 2.25 exahash. And yeah, that's going to be very big here for them. So they will be in the lead here for a few months. Here we have HUD8, very stable. I think they will announce some new purchases soon. We will see. Bitfarms today, they are right now at 965 petahash and they will grow to 1.2 exahash in February. You see here. Then we have Argo, right now at 645 petahash, and they will grow step by step to close to 1.1 exahash in February or March. And yeah, and then we have the two big guys here. It's Riot. This is the growth for Riot here for 3.8 exahash. And this is Mara here. They will grow steeper than Riot. So yeah, I think they will add some miners here. This in the upcoming weeks. That's for sure, I guess. And yeah, we have Hive here down there with 230 petahash or so self-mining. Then they have like 80 or 90 for an institutional client. Yeah, right now it's the strategy from Hive. I don't like it. They have to disclose hardware right now for Bitcoin. Yeah, it's nice to have goals, but if there's no hardware available and it's very expensive, yeah, we will see what's going on there. I really like the move of Bitfarms today, right? And yeah, okay. So let's check the prices from today. Bitcoin 3% plus, Hive 8%, HUD 20%. Bitfarms really goes crazy today with 66% plus. So yeah, the big revaluation takes place right now. I'm waiting for this for a long time, and yeah, now I have some stocks with 10x in my portfolio. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. That finally the the time is over of waiting. There Argo is still lagging, but I think today or yesterday it started in the US. The ticker is ARB HF or something like this. You can check it on my Twitter account. So you can buy Argo, as I'm aware of, on the OTC market in the United States. Please go to my Twitter account and yeah, you can see it there. Also, Riot had a nice move today with 32%, Mara 21, and BitDigital 4% is also lagging a little bit. So, guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.